What is ping? P-I-N-G. How this ping works? So we'll understand this ping in this discussion. You might have heard about, this ping when your friend says, okay, do ping me on my WhatsApp, do ping me on my Facebook. That is, this word is so popular, even the normal users are using it. So this ping is all related to networking. If you are from computer science or networking, this ping is the most used command of all. Let us understand the full form. P is for packet, I-N for internet, and G for Groper or Groper. So this ping is a computer network administration software utility, or just a command you can say, but this is very powerful. This is to understand the latency between two networks, two systems, to know whether the route is possible or not, to know whether your network interface card is working, to know in between routers and switches are working, whether it is on internet, whether is it on your local network. So this is all about knowing the latency and the network troubleshooting issues. So as I said, this ping is perhaps the most widely and commonly used tool, utility or a command to troubleshoot a network. Very handy tool. Okay. Now, the first thing what we do is do ping. We have a command prompt. If you are using a Windows operating system, just write ping in front of command prompt and just write the IP address. And the basis of ping is ICMP. Ping uses Internet Control Message Protocol for the network health knowing. So ping is just sending packets. Basically, these are ICMP packets. They go to the destination specified by the IP address in front of ping. Those packets come back, are received, and that is how we know what is the time taken, what is the round trip time, what is the latency, what is the time to live, how many packets were received, how many packets were dropped. So this ping, whenever it is done, it uses ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, and it reports errors, problems, and also provide information which is related to the Internet Protocol packet processing. It may be your network interface card. You want to know whether it is working or not, you can ping the local host or 127.0.0.1. Okay. So this starts whenever the ping works. It starts by sending an ICMP echo request message to the specified IP address. For example, in the command prompt, you write ping and then the IP address. It can be an IP address. It can be a URL also, like the google.com, youtube.com, anything, right? Which will ultimately be converted to IP address only. So whenever this ICMP echo request goes, it can be on a network, your or other, or it can be on internet. Whenever the server or the IP that is being sent, when it gets this ICMP echo request, they reply by ICMP echo reply. So ICMP echo request is replied by ICMP echo reply only if the destinations are reachable. There is a proper route between them. There is a way to travel from destination 1 to destination 2. So what is the round trip time? This ping calculates that of the data packets from source to destination and back, and also determines whether any packet were lost during the trip, what was the time of the trip, what is the packet dropping, what is the percentage, and what is the time to live for any packet in that particular case scenario. So what exactly is going on? Let me take you one more step ahead. So whenever we ping and we write an IP, what actually is being sent? Only 4 packets. These packets, when you get the reply from that 10.10.100.1, it shows that the byte size, that is the packet size, is 32. It took less than 1 millisecond for the packet from source to destination and then destination to source back. So this is the time. 1 millisecond. If you are say online gaming person, it will be good. If it is 500 ms, it will not be good. Then how many packets are sent, how many received? It will not always be the case. You will see send is 4, received maybe 2. So the time like the 500 millisecond can come, 30, 50 millisecond can come, the received packet may be less. it will never be higher. And if it is less, if the time is higher, from here only you can know what is going on.